categorize a lot of things. It could be an idea, or it could be something that I wanted to do. It could be a language grammar that I wanted to take notes. So I'm quite weird. If there are no customers, what I do is I fulfill my idle timings with a lot of things that I wanted to do. It could be learning, it could be calculating some profits, or these things. So there was one night that there were no people at all. I took the pen. I had the realization. I wrote my entire day. Literally entire day. So sabi ko, we have 24 hours in our life. How many hours do we have for ourselves? This is a mind blowing. And I think, and I'm sure you can do this as well for yourself. Then you will be able to realize and awareness na, why am I spending too much for something that I'm not happy? So I had to write my full 24 hours, divided every hour off from the time that I wake up, yung travel hours ko. We're living at Discovery Gardens before. Yung timings ng food, yung timings ng I got 7 hours of sleep, okay, 6 hours of sleep, the full 24 hours. So I said, I calm down everything